by far our most valuable resource, but unfortunately, because we live in such a fast-paced and busy world, we try to be everything to everyone, and that just can't happen. A few years ago, when I set out on my coaching journey to support people at writing, publishing, and prospering their books, I wanted to be everything for everybody. So I took on as many one-on-one clients as I possibly could, thinking that this would be a great way for me to help people. And unfortunately, all it did was burn me out. I was trying to show up for everyone, giving 100% of myself, plus balance 2 little kids at home, plus balance a full-time job, and I just couldn't make it happen. So at this point, I had to go back to the drawing board, because you see, I was still passionate about being able to help them. I just didn't have the time to extend and overextend myself in that manner. After digging and finally doing some research, I came up with the idea to create an online course. And to be honest, I thought the online course would be kind of like a supplement to my income, but little did I know when I launched my online course, I was able to make more in one day than I had made in probably 6 months previous. The best part about it is I was not only able to increase my income, but I was also able at the same time to increase my impact, because I could reach even more people. And if that wasn't already enough, I was able to free up my time so that I wasn't overextended and exhausted anymore. So I started creating courses for each aspect of my business, and I cannot stress enough how much I love it, how much it's absolutely changed my life, and how much it's actually changed other people's lives as well. So that's why I'm talking to you. Do you have like a passion of yours that you know you want to just share with the world? Do you have something that comes really easy to you, but people come to you and ask you for support or advice or questions about? Do you have something that you know that you need to share with the world, but you can't really figure out how to package it and deliver it appropriately? Creating a course is the next best step for you, and I want to teach you how to do that. The best news is you don't have to already know where to begin. You don't have to have a huge following. All you have to have is a desire to learn how to make it happen, and you're welcome into my upcoming training called Content to Course to Coins, where I teach you to identify the content that you're passionate about, that zone of genius that you have buried deep within, how to create a course based on that, and how to increase your coins. In my upcoming class, I am going to pull back the curtains and share the top 8 steps that you need to have in place, that you need to take before creating your course. And I'm going to teach you the secrets about creating a course that actually sells. The best news about it is my class is totally free. And so if you have a desire to create a course, increase your income, and increase your impact, this is a great opportunity for you. Use the link below to make sure you sign up, and I cannot wait to see you in class.